We work with them, and if they're asking for more than like $1,000, then we're not going to do that. We're not going to do that. And let me tell you, sometimes they're $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 away from what your car needs. At that point, we encourage you to invoke the appraisal clause, and now we get everything that your car needs. We get your car back faster. We get it done perfectly for you, and you don't have to worry about owing a penny, because as long as you support the appraisal clause and the appraiser all the way through this process, and it could take, most of them settle in 3 months to 4 months. Some of them can take 9 months, 12 months, 18 months, but they'll all come to a settlement, and that settlement is binding. It's binding to the collision center, and it's binding to the insurance company. And I expect more and more insurance companies to start to cooperate, to start to think a little bit outside the box. Maybe they shouldn't be making those cinnamon rolls the same old way they have for the past 3 decades, 4 decades. Maybe it's time for them to look at, hey, these cars are more sophisticated. It really does require more testing and more exams. It's the only way to really indemnify the consumer. It's the only way that the collision repair company can relieve themselves of any liability, is by being thorough in their repairs.